to be trying this new product as well today, the eye primer from Juvia's Place, to see how well this eye primer does. This particular eye primer is in the color shade 2, so it is a very light complected complexion color compared to my skin tone. So the first color I'm going to be going in with, I'm going to go in with this color here. This is sort of like a beige color, and I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And now I'm going to go in with the brownish color on the end. And I'm going to take the small crease brush, and I'm going to take that particular color and I'm going to apply that to my crease area. And this color is not very pigmented. Go over it more than one time to get that color to be seen. And I'm going to take that color out. And now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend that in. It has a touch of color to it, but not as dark as I thought it was going to be. So, yeah. And now I'm going to go in with the glittery color on the top corner of the palette. And I'm going to take my small flat brush and I'm going to just dip that in there, and I'm going to place this, and from what I can see, I'm going to have to spray it to kind of pick that color up a little bit. So now I picked up some color, and I'm just going to take that color and I'm going to place it in the inner corner, excuse me, the inner corner of my eye, just the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take it on the other side. I know that you're probably like, that looks a little weird, but I'm going to fix that. And now I'm going to take that other side and I'm just going to blend that out into the middle. So I do want to pick up the glitter, but I don't want it to be like too glittery. I just want it to look like it's got some shimmer to it. And now I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Catrice eye palette, and you all seen me use this eye palette before. I'm going to go in with the dark brown to do this, and I'm just going to use an angled eyeshadow brush. And now I'm going in with my mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. And my eyes are done, and now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. So I'm going to go in first with the Fix and Prime, and I'm going to apply this first to my face. And now I'm going in with the Physicians Formula, and this is the Prime Oil. So I've come to find out when I use the spray and then the primer that my makeup actually lasts longer throughout the day. So I have been actually doing that a lot lately, and I have been loving the way that my makeup is staying pretty much the entire day without looking oily. And now I'm going to be mixing two of my foundations today. I'm mixing the Beauty Bakery with the Mary Kay. And now I'm going in with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to spread that foundation all over my face. And now I'm going in with the Fenty matchsticks, and you already know I'm going to use this to conceal the areas around my nose and right underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to highlight just the outer corner of my eyes using the Black Radiance HD corrector. And I'm going to go ahead and add the MAC face powder. I'm going to add the Milani Rose blush. And I'm not going to add any highlighter for this look because I want it to be very natural looking. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off with the Fix and Prime. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender. Go ahead and spray that on there, and then just going to apply that all over my face here. All right, and the last step, of course, is the lipstick. So now I'm going to add my lipstick, and this is the Cream Lip Gloss by Fenty. It's a berry color. I don't really know what color this is, but it looks like a berry. Perfect color for the spring and the summer to give this makeup look a pop of color. All right, so here's the finished look. You have a very neutral nude eyeshadow look with a pop of a lip. Great for the summer, great for going out. I do love this look. I do like the eyeshadow palette, the Juvia's Place Nudes eyeshadow palette. The colors are pretty colors. The brown was not as dark as I would have wanted it to be, but it did come out looking great anyway. So, you know, sometimes you just don't know when you get these eyeshadow palettes. All right, you all, so that is it. My name is Mazelleğ. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.